Hi, I'm Micah, and I'm a cook. No, really, that's my last name. Also, I happen to love to cook. Currently, I am cooking our little cookie. Hence the name, A Mama and Her Cookies. If this kind of humor is not up your alley, this may not be the place for you. But if you are a recovering conventionalist like me, then welcome. This is a place where I hope to inspire, educate, and entertain. You'll hear all about my story, information about non-toxic and generally non-conventional living, and probably see plenty of fails. Because the point isn't to be perfect. This is not your traditional cooking show or mommy vlog where everything seems to always work out. The point is to be balanced. So that's what I hope to show you here. So if you are ready for some refreshing reality without the negativity, follow along our journey towards balanced perfection, and you might even see a cute baby on the way. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a balanced day.